So this is a remix of a survival whistle. Put a link here on Thingiverse. This loop here didn't print out all that well. I filed it, I had to file it using a flat bladed file a bit like this at the angle that's on that there, about 45-degree angle I think, and then I used this smaller file. This is a jeweler's file, some people call them, and like scraped it out a bit like this. I printed this with a brim, so I've took the brim off, then I drilled it with a 6mm twist bit in there and filed it out a bit. So it's got some like indents here for your lips. This has been made longer. I tried to make this so that it's got less sharp corners on, so that if you put, when you're putting it in your pocket, it's not going to dig holes in. A bit rough that I think, but not too bad. I'll blow it. I'll blow it gently and then I'll build up pressure. I'm having to blow it quite hard there to get the real good whistle out. I think before I'll publish this file, I'll beef up this a bit. I think that could break there because it's got a big cut out there, so I'll thicken this area around here just a bit, just to strengthen it. So there's a look at this whistle, survival whistle. Just blow it once more. I aren't faking that. I don't know if you think that's loud enough, but if you blow pretty hard you get a strong thing out of it. Now that I've filed it down a bit. Okay, so it might look a bit distorted here, but these are a couple of indents that will be on the top and the bottom for, well, your lips to press into to a certain extent. I don't know how weak it will be here. See when it's finished printing. I mean, there's quite a bit of plastic there. Well, if that's not weak enough, I'll redesign and put a bit extra support on there. This sort of tube that you blow into is made quite a bit longer, make it more convenient. The ending, or what will be the top up there that we can't see, is changed a bit to take off some of the sharp angles. This is screen capture of Octoprint. I'll try and put the time lapse in as well, probably. So this is a survival whistle.